Hi everyone, this is Varun from Airplant Planet. So today we will talk about making a waterfall inside a glass jar. So let's go and check it out. The things that we require for this is first and foremost a glass bowl or glass jar to make your waterfall. The one that we are using is about 10 inches in height. Then we need rocks. The rocks that we use, they are called dragon rocks. You can use any other rock like lava rock or any other rock. Then we need super glue. We use this one. You can use Fevikwik or any other glue. We use an aquarium pump for pushing the water on top. Then we need some plants. The plants that we use here are called Anubias nana petite. We have some mini bolbitis that you can see. We have some land moss, some java moss, which is an aquatic moss. We have some cotton and black foam that we use. Cotton we use to stick the rocks and woods, and a set of tweezers. So we'll start with pouring a little water inside the jar so that the suction on the pump gets stuck to the base of the glass. So we'll take the pump and put it inside. We start by putting the pump inside so that we can build our structure around the pump. Make sure the pump is aligned in a way that the wire goes at the back. Trim off the pipe at whatever length you wish to. So initially I will trim it to the maximum length of the container. And now let's start with the placement of our rocks. Arrange the rocks in a way that they stand correctly. Start by building it around the rocks. Make sure to be careful with your hand. We'll put a foam in between the rocks so that they can be glued together nicely. You can also use cotton. So we'll just hold it like this, take the glue and hold it for about 30 seconds and it should be good enough. You will see some fumes coming out sometimes, which is perfectly normal. So now we will fill water in this just to test the filter, and we will get to know where the water is reaching, where it's not reaching, so that we can plan to have our plants accordingly. We have cleaned the glass and we know where the water is falling, so we will plant our plants accordingly. So we will start with planting. We will start with this Anubias. Remember to plant from down to up, otherwise if we plant the top ones first, it will be really difficult to plant the bottom ones. We use super glue to stick the Anubias. You will see some of the super glue to fall on the plant. Try to be as much careful as possible. Try to glue only the rhizome. If you see holes, you can push the Anubias in the holes itself. So we will add some sand at the base. This we should have ideally done before the planting, but since we missed it, it's okay, we can always add it later. Whatever is there on the plant will get washed down by the water while we are putting it. We'll now add water and the sand will settle down. Add enough water so that your filter is completely, or the pump is completely submerged. You can see the water flowing down, and in a while all the sand that is settled on the leaves would also get down. If any plants are loose, you can always push those plants back in again if you have not glued them, like some of the plants we didn't glue. Wherever you see dead areas, you can move your plants a little bit and make sure that water trickles down on that area. So that was how we make a waterfall inside a glass bowl. It's much easier if we make it inside an aquarium or something, because we have more room for our hands to move. But nevertheless, inside a glass jar it looks amazing. After a few days, once the plants mature and start growing, it should not take more than a week or something, and then you will enjoy the real beauty. Have a light on top of it so that your plants grow better. So do let me know in comments section if you have any questions regarding it, and we can help you answer that. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to like the video, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.